You see me split this cable in half. This is 7-strand cable. So I had 4 on one side and 3 on the other. And I just split it down to about 18 inches or so, maybe a little bit more. And when you make a loop, you just make a loop in opposite directions. It's pretty simple to see in the video, and you just twist it and braid it back together. They'll follow the same path they were originally twisted. And you'll see on YouTube, there might be tutorials of people showing you how to repair these winches or whatever, and they use these clamps, these saddle clamps, and that's a really bad idea. They're not great. The screws can hook on things and break, and then you're blowed up if that happens. They'll cut your skin, cut your gloves. They're terrible, so don't do that. Split your cable down the middle. It's one of the benefits of having these steel cables. You can repair them in the field, and you don't even need any tools. You don't even need tape or binding. This is just mason's twine I put around it just to kind of dress it up, and it helped me squeeze this together. My loop was bigger than my thimble right here, which is fine. Over time, this after pulling on this will take shape again, and this can just be dressed up with tape if something happens and this breaks and falls off. It's just wound and melted the ends and super glued on the ends to keep it from fraying. It's just to protect your hands more than it is. It doesn't provide any strength. But it's all right. It looks good, and it's fine. But anyway, I've got this is the contactor, and I had this thing in 1,000 pieces. I may put up the picture. I don't know. But it had corrosion in it. Right in this post, it had this. There's a washer below it, a rubber washer that had broken, and just dry cracked over time and allowed water to get into the contacts, and it seized one of the plungers. So I got that all cleaned up, fixed, and sprayed with Plasti Dip. It has like 20 coats of Plasti Dip on it, so that's not going to leak, and it should provide many more years of service, hopefully. May quit tomorrow, but I kind of doubt it. It seems pretty strong, and the coils, solenoid coils, are still at the exact same ohms. Both of them are the same ohms, so that's indicative of they're both being fine. If one was different, then you could tell it would be going bad, but now they're fine. But anyway, yeah, 2 wires on the inside were corroded too because of it, and it actually I had to desolder the circuit board and solder it back in with added wire. But let's get this installed and get this cable wound back into the 4-wheeler. All right, here's a little quick tip. See that upper right-hand bowl hole? Well, there's not room for me to get my fingers behind it to hold the lock washer, and nut at the same time while I'm trying to put the bolt in. What you need to do, just super glue everything to your wrench. Just one little drop of super glue holds the nut on, the same for the lock washer and washer. Then I can just stick this up behind there and it'll break loose, no problem. Yep, that's the wrong direction. Yep, everything's working like it should now. I don't have the roller guides on because I had to remove it to take the fairings off, but let's see, take the plastic off.